This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enlarge your text size in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. I have begun to compose an email over here. Say that I wanted to enlarge the text size of this top line here. I wanted to make it bigger. First thing I'm going to do is select the text that I want to enlarge. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across that text to where I have it selected. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom down here to the formatting options bar. If you don't see this bar here, you want to go down below the A with the underline under it. You want to click on that. Now the formatting options bar has appeared, and right in this area, the two T's right here, if you put your mouse cursor over that, it says size. You want to click on that, and then you can choose between small, normal, large, or huge. I'm going to click on large. Now as you can see, I have enlarged the size of that text. That is how to enlarge text size in Gmail. Thanks for watching.